If you're looking to get into investing but feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and technical terms, fear not. In this video, we will share with you 5 apps that offer both investment services and educational content so that you can learn at your own pace and grow your wealth with confidence. These platforms go beyond just providing investment options. They are dedicated to empowering investors of all levels with the knowledge and tools they need to make informed decisions in the market. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced investor, these apps will cater to your needs and help you on your financial journey. So let's dive in and explore these fantastic resources together. Before we start, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We update this channel weekly with new videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Starting off our list at number 5 is Public.com. Public is a commission-free investment platform that offers a wide range of investment options including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. What sets Public apart is its strong emphasis on community and social aspects of investing. The app allows users to follow other investors, participate in discussions, and learn from their experiences. This can be a great way to stay motivated, get ideas, and learn from both novice and veteran investors alike. Public also offers a variety of educational resources such as articles, tutorials, and live events to help investors learn about the markets and make informed decisions. They cover a wide range of topics from basic investment concepts to more advanced strategies. Additionally, Public's social features allow users to connect with other investors, share ideas, and learn from one another. The app also provides a newsfeed where users can stay up to date on the latest market events and trends. Overall, Public is a great platform for investors who want to learn and grow alongside a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Next on our list at number 4 is Moomoo. Moomoo is an investment platform designed to empower everyone to build wealth through investing. With a user-friendly interface and a range of investment options, Moomoo makes it easy for beginners to get started on their investment journey. One of the standout features of Moomoo is its fractional share investing. This allows users to invest in high-priced stocks with just a few dollars, opening up new possibilities for building wealth. Additionally, Moomoo offers pay-per-trading, which provides users with a risk-free environment to practice and refine their investment strategies. It's a great way to gain experience and confidence before investing real money. Moomoo also offers a range of educational resources to help users understand the basics of investing and make informed decisions. Their in-app academy covers topics such as stock analysis, portfolio management, and investment strategies. These resources can help users develop the knowledge and skills they need to become successful investors. At number 3, we have Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investment platform known for its commission-free stock and ETF trading. In recent years, Robinhood has expanded its offerings to include a wide range of investment options such as options, futures, and cryptocurrencies. One of the key features of Robinhood is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for beginners to navigate and trade. The app provides real-time quotes and trade execution, allowing investors to stay up to date on market movements and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Robinhood also offers a range of educational resources to help investors learn about the markets and make informed decisions. Their in-app learning center provides a variety of courses and tutorials covering topics such as stock analysis, options trading, and portfolio management. Additionally, Robinhood offers a newsfeed that provides users with up-to-date information on market events and trends. Overall, Robinhood is a great platform for investors of all levels, offering a user-friendly interface, a wide range of investment options, and a variety of educational resources. Taking the second spot on our list is Wealthfront. Wealthfront is an investment platform that offers a variety of financial services, including investment management, retirement planning, and college savings. One of the standout features of Wealthfront is its goal-based investing approach. Users can set specific financial goals, and the platform will create a personalized investment plan to help them achieve those goals. This can be a great way to stay focused and motivated as you work towards your financial objectives. Additionally, Wealthfront offers automated investing, which allows users to set up automatic investments based on their goals and risk tolerance. This can make investing easier and more consistent, which is essential for long-term success. Wealthfront also provides a range of educational resources to help users understand the basics of investing and make informed decisions. Their in-app learning center offers courses and articles covering topics such as asset allocation, risk management, and tax loss harvesting. Overall, Wealthfront is a great platform for investors of all levels, offering a goal-based approach, automated investing, and a variety of educational resources. And finally, Fidelity Investments tops our list at number 1. Fidelity is a comprehensive trading education platform that offers various courses and resources to help traders of all levels improve their skills and knowledge. The platform covers a wide range of topics, from basic trading concepts to more advanced strategies and techniques. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started in the markets or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, Fidelity has something for you. Its focus on practical, real-world applications sets Fidelity apart from other trading education platforms. The courses are designed to be interactive and engaging, providing traders with the opportunity to apply what they've learned in real-time market conditions. This hands-on approach allows traders to develop the skills and confidence they need to succeed in the markets. Additionally, offers a range of membership options to suit different learning styles and needs. Whether you prefer self-paced online courses, live webinars, or one-on-one coaching, Fidelity has a membership option to help you reach your trading goals. The platform's knowledgeable and experienced instructors are dedicated to helping traders of all levels succeed. They provide clear, concise instruction and are always available to answer questions and provide support. There you have it, folks. Our list of the top 5 apps that offer investment services and educational content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your investing game, these apps have you covered. Remember, investing involves risks, so it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching and happy investing. If you found this video helpful, you may also enjoy another video we created on 5 best investing books for beginners.